it's summer cocktail time. So I've been seeing a lot of really cool cocktails in restaurants with cucumber juice. So I decided, why not make some? And I'm gonna do so in the fantastic Pampered Chef blender, which does so much more than making cucumber water. It does make fabulous cocktails, but it also grinds peanut butter and it makes hummus. And I'm just gonna put in some nice cold filtered water. And it makes, it actually has cooking function, and it makes soup, and it won't even heat up your kitchen if you've got a lot of air conditioning and you want something hot. But the first thing we did with the cucumbers, here, let's take a better piece, is peel and then remove the seeds with the scoop loop. And by the way, the scoop loop is being retired, which is very sad. But it is great for getting seeds out of fruit, and you can push it this way if you've got a bigger fruit like a cantaloupe. And we're just going to put all the pieces of cucumber right in here. Then I'm going to put the blender on, and I'm just going to do it on custom blend. Doesn't take very long. And now what you want to do is you just want to filter it, and the blender comes with a great filter bag. So I'm just going to put this in the silicone cup and filter out our very fresh cucumber juice, and just squeeze out the filter bag. Very easy to do. And now we've got all of this nice cold cucumber juice. So we're gonna begin to make a lovely cocktail. And this is where you really play around and have fun. I'm gonna use this Deep Eddy Ruby Red vodka. You could use plain vodka, infused vodka. And I'm gonna put, of course, some ice in there because I'm gonna shake it. I happen to like a shake and drink. And I'm gonna add some fresh grapefruit juice. I'm gonna add my refreshing cucumber water, and I'm going to add a pinch of some lime juice there, and we'll garnish it with lime as well. Just a half a lime, and that's it. And right in your shaker, which is, get it nice and cold, get it nice and blended, and pour it right in your glass. You can garnish this with some lime. You can add some mint to it too. Oh, so refreshing.